You must have seen this type of videos where these gadgets turn into a great mechanical robot and it looks super realistic. So this user started this creative niche posting these type of videos and already gained thousands of followers within just some videos of this niche. So let's watch some of the videos that this user posts which got him really high popularity within few months. Here are some other category videos he is posting of these flag machine toys. So these videos looks absolutely awesome and amazing. So we are going to make this kind of videos today using some simple prompt and 100% free method. So most of these videos are made with paid AI tools like Kling.ai, Kling 3.4 or OpenArt AI. But I have a method which is using Flow. We can generate these kind of videos for absolutely free. And the results are pretty similar also, just like the same. Let's say the results are close to same as these videos. So let's head over to the main process. So head over to a new tab and go to ChatGPT and search for, go to explore GPTs. Here we are going to search for mechanical toy generator. This is what we are going to search and the GPT will appear here. So get inside this first GPT and select start chat and then hit on start the generator. Now this GPT will generate to you different topics of what mechanical toy videos you want to generate. So just select any of these. Suppose I'll just select the number 2 and hit on generate. After you hit generate, GPT will start to generate the image prompts. First, it will generate the start frame, then it will generate the end frame, and then it comes the video prompt. So we will have first frame, then end frame, and a video prompt. Now, what we're gonna do, we are going to get inside Google Flow. So go to Google Flow, enter into their website, and create a new project. You can select any kind of ratio you want. So for now, I will be generating a real format. So I will select the 9:16 ratio. You can select 16:9 ratio for YouTube long format videos, but I will just stick into this 9:16 ratio and select image first because we need to generate the image first. So select this ratio and also select Nano Banana 2 as our image generator model. So go back to our prompts and copy this first image prompt and paste it here into Google Flow and then hit on generate and go back to our prompt again and select the second image prompt and paste it into Google Flow again. So this one is the first frame, this one is the second frame. So wait for a while till it generates our images. Here our first image is ready. This is our first frame, as you can see. This is a metal gadget. Here we have our second or end frame also ready. This will come from this gadget. Now go back to our prompt again and copy the video prompt, this one, and generate the video clip. Go back to the settings again, select video, select your ratio, and then paste the video prompt here and select as start frame this gadget image and the end frame as this well image and hit on generate. And here is our video ready. Let's watch the video. Perfect. So just like this, you can generate more videos. Here you can see the second model is giant squid. So select or copy the first prompt again and also download the video. I'll just upscale it and download it and let's generate some more videos. I'll paste the prompt here, just select the image, select Nano Banana 2 and let's generate our first frame for the next video, which is the giant squid video. And then I will then copy this prompt the end frame prompt of this giant squid video clip, paste it here, and hit on generate, and it will generate the second image. And then I'll just copy the video prompt for this giant squid model video and then paste it here, selecting video format, and wait for the first frame and the second frame or end frame to be generated. Here is the first image is ready. This is amazing. So I don't need to download it, just select the start frame and select this and then select the end frame. Let's wait for it to be generated, the image, and our end frame is ready. Whoa, this is awesome. Let's see how the GPT generates it, how this flow model generates it. Select the end frame as this mechanical squid and hit on generate. But before select or check if the ratios are perfect. Yes. Now hit on generate and wait for a while till our video gets generated. So here is our squid video ready. Let's watch the video. Looks really great. Now let's try another video, which is the hammerhead shark, or let's try manta ray. Let's try this one. I really like manta ray personally. So let's try to generate the images, select the ratio settings, etc., etc., and then go back to the prompts again, select the second prompt, image 2 prompt, and then paste it on Nano Banana, on Go, and generate the images, the first frame and the second frame. Go back to the prompt again and select the video prompt for manta ray video. Select the prompt and go back to Google Flow again and paste it here. Also keep the settings as like before, video, this ratio, and this is our start frame and this is our ending frame. This looks really cool and awesome. I really like it. Let's select the start frame as which one? This one. And let's select the end frame as this one and hit on generate. Here is our video ready. Let's watch the video. This is absolutely amazing. Even though the last part was not pretty similar, also this prompt of this ChatGPT prompt generator does not properly generate the last frame, just like you have seen in this. So what you need to do is crop out the last frame from each of the videos. Let's say this one, this last frame, you have to cut it from every clip. So in the same video, just like this here, same, we have to crop or we have to cut out the last frame of this video too, because it does not match with that. So download the videos as it's perfect. You can post these videos as YouTube shorts with your own voiceover, so it be authentic content, and also in Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, trending media, trending audios, so that these viral clips hit thousands of views within a very short time. So always experiment with something new, with something creative. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this free method, subscribe the channel, drop a like on this video, and comment below on what topic you guys want me to make the next tutorial. So I will come back with a new niche tutorial. Till then, take care. This is Howzia.